What's up, nail crew? I am so excited for this video. It is another in the nail fails and fixes series, and let me tell you, this is going to be a lot of fails. All right, I decided I was going to do some Valentine's nail art because I thought Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm going to practice. Well, thank goodness I practiced, because these are ones that I know just are probably a little bit above my skill level. The first one I decided to try was a blooming gel rose. And as you can see, I start with the blooming gel, and I already went through one that I couldn't work out, but I don't let my first try deter me. So I wipe it off with isopropyl alcohol, and I start trying again, because with blooming gel, that is the awesome thing. You can take isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free wipe or paper towel and just wipe it off and reapply it. So I go back again. This is my third time trying, if you're tracking, and I start to make my little swirls of the white gel. And you can see here, it's not looking like a rose. I don't really know what that's looking like, but it's not a rose. I gave up on the blooming gel rose, and I thought, all right, I've seen people do hearts. I can do hearts with gel. This shouldn't be too hard. You're just basically making a couple dots and filling them in. You know, I can do this. And somehow my dot heart ended up looking like an apple or a tooth. So I wiped that off and I go to try again. And I thought, all right, let me try with, instead of just a dotting tool, I'll also get a fine nail brush. And nope, it also looked like an apple slash tooth again. Back to another option. I thought, all right, I will make a dot heart. I've seen those. They look really cute. Tried, failed again. And then I thought, all right, I at least know how to make a heart. I'm going to use a dotting tool, connect all the dots, just make like my little dots very close together, and I'll do a sugared heart. I know how to sugar a nail. I know how to sugar with gel. I got this. So I take this really pretty pink. It's a shimmer pink fighter from OG Dip Powder, and I sugar my heart. And you know, the heart's a little lopsided, but I thought, you know what? This is a fail, but I'm going with it because, well, that was after so many tries, I was just done. And once I finished it, I realized, oh no, I can't sugar this because I forgot to use matte top coat underneath to actually do the sugar nails. So I ended up just covering it with gel top coat and going from there. This next one that I decided to do, first I start with Casper from OG Dip Powder. So I thought, I am gonna make another dot heart, and I'm gonna do black and pink. So this is the heart that I nicknamed the uterus heart. Actually, I didn't nickname that. When I showed some of my friends these, they said, oh, your heart looks slightly like a uterus. I'm sorry, I'm laughing so hard because nail art is not my specialty. And I promised everybody that I would show you all my nail fails and fixes, and this is just a lot of fails and me having fun trying to figure out how to do some nail art. So you will see right here, right where we are, it's gonna start looking like a uterus. So I gave up on that one. Next, I'm gonna apply a black gel, and it's called a Little Stituous. And then I decide to go over with blooming gel again because I thought, oh, I can make some really cool designs. I have some fun color gels. I'll link those in the description. And I can just make like a really neat design. And it ended up looking like a creepy pink and white, not really Valentine's Day, strange looking animal print. I don't even know what to call this design. But you know, this is again part of the fun of doing your own nails. You just go for it. It's messy. It's just really fun to try new things. And for somebody like me who is not the most creative, not the most artistic, this is really fun. Here's another one, and this was the only one of all the art I tried that looked remotely decent at the end. I put blooming gel on, and I started taking the gels and kind of dribbling them down to make a marble effect. The black, the white, the light pink, dark pink, the red, and then I also have a glitter gel in there that you can't really see. And this was the only one that turned out somewhat cool that I thought, all right, I could do this. Maybe it looks a little bloody for Valentine's Day, but you know what? It was really fun. So I cured that one. Now I'm on to my next attempt, and I use white as my base again. And then I thought, oh, I can do like one of those swirl marbles. Well, first it started off bad because I forgot which way to do it. And then I remembered the right way to do it. So I started lining up all my gels in the line like you see me doing now. And I did this before and it worked really well to alternate colors and then throw in a glitter gel. So you can see I'm gonna add my last bit of color and then the very bottom one is a glitter, and it just adds a little bit of fun sparkle. So I think what I did wrong here was I went way too much of going up and down with the toothpick. So I tried to do my little marble here and it's not too bad. I mean, it looks a little runny, but I thought, oh, let me just grab some gems and throw them on there and that'll make everything better. And here we go. Here are my 5 nail fail Valentine manis. So if you want to see me do some actual good nail art, click this next link. Thanks, nail crew.